What's going on, guys? It's the Forex Prince James here, back at it with another one. Today's video is going to be a really interesting video because I'm going to be giving you guys a new strategy. Alright, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and like and subscribe and follow this channel, man, because I'm going to continue to drop bombs for you guys. So let's go ahead right into it. Just real quick, you can see I'm in the trade. I'm slightly in profit. Doesn't mean anything to me. I could blow this. Doesn't mean anything to me. All right, but the two indicators that I'm using, I'm using moving average, the alligator, a MACD, the awesome oscillator, and then the moving average was within the MACD. All right, so you're gonna go and get you a 50 period moving average. You're gonna go and get it, copy these settings. You're gonna go and get the alligator. You're gonna black out the teeth, and you're gonna only use lips and jaw. All right, and you're gonna also back up your lips and jaw 1 period, so make that a -1. Cool. Then you're going to come down here to the MACD. You're going to change your MACD SMA from 9 to 3. And then that'll get you looking how it is. You're going to black out your main line. And you're going to red your signal line and 1 pixel it. Then you're going to come down here to the moving average. And you're going to hit period 1. And then you're going to hit apply to first indicators data. You're going to make that a 2 pixel and make that green. Alright. Then you're going to come back in here to the awesome oscillator. No settings. Just equipped it. And then boom, your bad boy gonna look like this. All right, and the way this works, I'm gonna show you the strategy also for the trading view side, because I do offer custom indicators. But before we even get into this, remember, past profits don't make future profits. I'm nobody's mentor. I won't show you guys how to become rich. I'm gonna teach you guys how to become wealthy. Like I said, past profits won't make future profits, and you have to put in your work in order to get your work out of this. So let's get right into it. All right, so if you see here, MACD crossed down here. Give me a minute, I'm trying to get this. MACD crossed down here, right? We got to buy. Then alligator crossed up here. Sorry. Then alligator crossed up here. That confirmed the buying trend motion. But this blue 50 SMA tells you that price is in a downward trend. So we won't be holding positions long. We're going to hold this position up. It came back down into my zone. Now we're going back up for a buy. All right, let's show you this strategy on the trading view. Remember, guys, if you guys just haven't made it out in Forex yet, you can always go to my website down below here and get my course. I also sell custom indicators, which I'm getting ready to show you now. Let's go to Euro USD. All right, cool. This is the same strategy. All right, and I'll show you. Indicator window, indicator titles, same strategy. Alligator, that's the periods. MACD, that's the periods. This is my MACD, my advanced MACD. If you want to get this indicator down below, which tells you buy and sell, you can go ahead and reach out to me through my Fiverr, and I will give you this indicator for $45, the source code, and you can use it, and it'll tell you exactly what to do. I only have the super trend up here just to tell me buy and sell when the alligator cross, so I don't have to look at it so long. And then down here, like I said, got the awesome oscillator. On here it just says a period, and then this fun indicator here called the TDI GM. It's by Goldman's. This bad boy is dope. It has the RSI levels in it. Let me go back and turn these off. It has the RSI levels in it. High, sell, low. With the awesome oscillator, I changed it to be I think it's like histogram light, so it can show you more, and you can just see buy and sell. Look, it said buy here, so we would have bought our trade here, and we would have been held in it all the way up until it got back to resistance range. Then we would have sold because price is obviously too high. Would have came back down. Now let me show you how to get that other indicator, because that's the indicator that I don't have on my trading view. So you come up here. It's in my favorites. It's called TDI. It's right here. Move that. It's TDI Traders Dynamic by Bromley. All right, that's the one you want. Once you get that, it's gonna come down here on the chart, at the bottom chart here, and I'll show you the settings for the TDI. You want these settings. the RSI period to be 14, your Bollinger Band level, which I don't really use. You could use it. It's more confirmation. Set that to 180. You want a fast moving average at 5 and a slow moving average at 14. Don't use none of that stuff though. See, I got rid of the Bollinger Band plus the moving average stuff. I just wanted the key levels, and then if you needed this shows you what trend is. If trend closes below in this red, it's considered in a downtrend. If trend closes in the green cloud, it's considered in the uptrend. But don't nobody use that. I don't use that. So let me show you. Get them off. Boom. This is what this strategy looks like. You can clearly see I'm in a nice buy trade, but the alligator says sell. You can clearly see that the alligator is going towards it for a buy. I'm going to trust the process, and I'm going to hold this trade. Yeah, man, that's pretty much the strategy. Like I said, if you guys looking for a course, my course is super affordable, plus my strategies. Visit my website, www.beastlytrader.com. Also, if you guys need custom indicators, keep in mind that I do create custom indicators. Right now, I only have a custom ATR. I have a custom MACD, and what was the other one? What was the other custom? Oh, and I have a custom double moving average indicator, so you don't have to put on 2 moving averages. These are already custom, and they do the same thing that my super trend does. They show you buy and sell and everything as well. So yeah, go ahead guys, get with me, check this strategy out. Let me know if you guys is interested in more strategies. Let me know what type of pairs you guys want to trade. You can clearly see I'm in profits. I'm actually going to take this now. It's only $1.40, but it's something. Like I said, yeah. So hit your guy up, man. Hit your guy up. Let's get this money together. Visit beastlytrader.com and let's get acquainted. For better or worse, guys, stay blessed.